Hey there and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to create your very own custom coloring book using Canva, perfect for unforgettable party favors, gifts, or just sparking creativity for kids or adults. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know step by step how to design a beautiful, personalized coloring book that you can print out or share digitally, even if you're totally new to Canva or design in general. So let's dive in. First up, go ahead and open your browser and head over to canva.com. If you don't already have an account, make sure to sign up. It's totally free and it opens up a world of creative possibilities. Once you're in, look for that big purple Create button, usually right up at the top. Go ahead and click on it. This is where all your Canva projects begin, whether you're making invitations, logos, or in this case, a coloring book. Next, in the search bar that pops up, just start typing coloring book. Canva will actually suggest several template options, which is so helpful because you don't have to start from scratch. If you've ever sat down to a blank page and felt stuck, you'll totally appreciate this. Select Coloring Book from the drop-down list and give it a second. It'll show you an entire gallery of customizable templates, ranging from simple outlines for kids to more detailed pages that would appeal to older children or even adults. Take a bit of time scrolling through and find a template that fits the vibe of your event or the people you're making this for. Is it for a birthday party? Pick something playful and fun. Maybe it's a baby shower or even a holiday gathering. There's really something for everyone. Don't worry if you don't see your exact vision. Once you've picked one, you can customize just about everything. Now here where the fun really starts. Once your template opens, you can add all sorts of elements, designs, and text to make this coloring book truly your own. On the left side of the Canva workspace, you'll see panels for elements like lines, shapes, animals, patterns, and even fun doodles. Drag and drop whatever fits your theme, whether that's unicorns, balloons, or even custom illustrations that you upload yourself. This is your chance to get creative. Try adding the birthday kid's name, a special message, or prompts like color the balloons your favorite color. As you're adding elements, keep in mind who will be using this book. For kids, keep shapes bold and lines clear. They're easier for tiny hands to color in. For adults, maybe add intricate mandala designs or clever quotes. And remember, although it's a coloring book, so most of the design will stay outlined, you can definitely add pops of color to titles or certain areas if you want a touch of flair on the cover or introduction page. Don't rush through this part. Explore Canva's fonts to add custom text and play around with the layout until it feels just right. The beauty of Canva is that there's an undo button if you make a mistake, so there's no pressure to get it perfect the first time. And that's really it. When you're happy with your pages, just hit download at the top, choose PDF for the best print quality, and you're ready to print out your custom coloring books as party favors, keepsakes, or even classroom activities. So that's how simple and fun it is to create a custom coloring book in Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, please drop a like below, and if you have any questions about design, templates, or printing, leave a comment. I'm always happy to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more creative tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy creating.